Welcome everybody to this video about the DNotes automated payment scripts. This is the third video we have released about these scripts. In the first video, we showed how to configure the payment scripts and use it on your website. In the second video, we showed how to implement the scripts as a plugin on a WordPress website. And in today's video, we're going to be showing how a software vendor would be able to sell their software online on a time-based subscription basis, which is a sort of very creative way of being able to sell your software that isn't currently possible. And that mostly comes down to the fact that small payments aren't really possible in the traditional financial system. So if you wanted to sell your software on a per use basis or on a per day basis, and your total charge might only be, say, $1, if you were using traditional payment methods like Visa, the fee to use the Visa network would take up most of the total money charged to the customer. So the software creator wouldn't receive very much of the fee charged. So the DNotes Pay software allows for time-based subscription services, which is a very creative way for people to sell their software. And we're going to be showing how that all works. So in front of me, I have the DNotes Pay GitHub, which we will include a link to the description below. So if you are a software developer, you can just come to this page and you can download the code to implement into your software. And the software that we're going to be demonstrating the time-based subscription payments with today is a trading bot that the DNotes team have developed and we are about to release. And the DNotes trading bot works on Stocks Exchange, which is a crypto exchange that DNotes is currently traded on. The bot uses a grid strategy to hopefully make you money while trading over the long term, much like many other trading bots, and you can trade on Stocks Exchange using any coin that you like. So I'm just going to go through the installation with you and show how the payments are made using DNotes Pay. So I'm just going to go next and just going to quickly install it. And now that I've opened the software, you can see in front of me I've been presented with a bunch of subscription options. So I can choose between 1 day, a week, a month, or 1 year, and they all have various price points. So right now I'm just going to choose 1 day, and then up will come the DNotes Pay window, and it's saying to pay 50 US cents worth of DNotes to this address here under this invoice here, which is just automatically copied across into the DNotes wallet, and that all comes down to 8.0379 so forth DNotes. So now all we have to do is pull up our DNotes wallet, and we're going to go send, and we just copy that, copy the amount in, and then copy the address in to there, and I'm just going to go send. And then the moment that's broadcast to the network, it will accept, and then we will have access to the software. And this could take anywhere up to a minute or so for the transaction to process, because it's waiting for the network to solve the next block. And then this page would come up and the user would be able to use the bot. And going through how to actually use the bot will be covered in a separate video. So in Rehash, it means that software vendors can now sell their software at very cheap prices on a per use or per day basis. That means they don't really have to pay anything in terms of transaction fees, so that they can keep pretty much the entirety of the fee that is charged to the customer. And also it means that it works quite well for customers, because often customers do not want to be locked into entire year-long subscriptions just to use software once or twice. So that puts off a lot of customers from purchasing software at all. So it allows a lot of software vendors to compete where they otherwise could not. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and we'll see you again next time.